Well, Rock River Radio listeners, I just want to show you, welcome to my country. Little north of nowhere country. Sometimes it takes those guys to get around out here. But this is home. This is God's country. Rock River Radio. It's been a while, huh? Anyways, I'm headed out to the North Country just to give you a little what's up. We've had quite a winter out here this year, which is good. Fill some water holes, grow some grass, if it all doesn't blow to Nebraska. We had like 50-60 mile-an-hour winds last night, but everybody's snowed in out there. Been snowed in, all the ranches, and my brother works for the county. They're headed out this morning to get roads opened up out there and back. So I'm following the plows, and I got everybody's mail, medications, eggs, if I don't break them suckers, bacon, hamburger, candy bars, soda pop, bread, buns, cheese, butter, milk. No, don't got no milk. Copenhagen, yep. Gotta have the staples. Anyways, so that's what I'm up to. I'm mailman, grocery man, tobacco man. They must have been stocked up pretty good with good whiskey before the winter started, because not taking any of that. But I guess it don't go bad. Probably don't hit it as hard as they do the bacon and eggs.
And are still involved in lawsuits against each other. So that is your journey update. The band is still together, but of course, that subject to change without notice.
Once I catch up to my brother and the plows, though, follow them the rest of the way out, follow them back, just like that. There's a drift already. Okay, yeehaw, packing the mail. This is my brother Ronnie in the blade I'm following. Then the next one is the other guy that works for the county. I can't remember his name. And then Ray Sandoval's in the front. It's been a winter for them. They've been out here a lot. You can see over here where they've been trying to push that snow back probably a couple weeks ago. But them guys are the only reason all this stuff is getting out there today. The only reason. Then there's some folks out here that got to get to town for doctor's appointment, so they're gonna follow us in too. Welcome to Wyoming. Love it. All you Californians out there, if you're watching Wyoming, Rock River Radio. See that? It's like this every day. You'll hate it. So don't come. So put it that way. That's where we're headed. We had a blizzard last 2 days. East wind, 50-60 mile an hour, snow with it. But man, did it pile up some moisture. We ought to get some water out of this spring. So I'm just looking for tail end Charlie. That's my brother. That's what he flies, is tail end Charlie in his blade. Folks don't know what that is, look it up. Now we're gonna stop at the first northern Albany County set of mailboxes out here. First stop, get rid of some of this. The reason that red one's dented, a few winters ago somebody's come down here and it was slick and they couldn't make that turn, so they ran right into the mailboxes. There they are. Right there. Ronnie's pushing through a big drift there. As deep as my pickup. Had to drive about, got sucked off in the ditch and watch the three burly escorts, three burly bearded escorts leave. So now hopefully I can catch up. They put in a night out here, guarantee you that. Good thing they're fed up pretty good. Jeez. Ain't fit for man or beast, like I said. Pretty deep. God's country. Population control. Got about the right amount of people out here. Two more would be too many. There's three of them up there trying to get through. Getting some big snow now. Man, we ought to have some grass and water out here this year. Eee, doggies. Tail end Charlie's climbing back in the cockpit after a bathroom break. One blade chained up. This drift down here is huge. Had to put chains on the blade. And then two pickups back's the bar. Old Tom's got a bottle of good stuff. Tastes pretty good out here. That's how you get around. Just a little north of nowhere this time of year.
The big band used to come and play. My sister went there on a Saturday. Come dancing. All our boyfriends used to come and go. Why not come dancing? It's only natural.
These few headed cows got 3 blades and 2 escortees kind of woed up. Thinking it's the feed truck, I guess. Good thing I was here. What was plugging up the cattle guard was those cows. So, brand inspector, me, went up there and moved them. Let's get a badge or something from these guys today. Probably not. Anyways, here we go. Okay, got to the end of where we needed to go. Got everybody's parts, food, mail, medications. Got their mailbox. Nobody's been able to make it to their mailbox yet. So we're sitting here. Where's my brother's machine? And over there is Ray's. Like I said, can't remember what that guy's name is. We're all just waiting to head back, but there's another rancher here that his wife has to get into town for a doctor's appointment, an important one, so we're waiting for them and their big 4-wheel drive tractor to get down here to the county road so they can follow these guys in. You don't get the full oops, sorry, looked up my nose there. Don't get the full experience unless you hear the wind. Well, the neighbors that needed to get to town for the doctor, they just made her here. Plowed from the ranch house down here to the mailboxes with the tractor, followed with the pickup. Now they're going to follow all of us back to Rock River. Follow our 3 bearded escorts. They ain't very cute, but they're escorts. Well, Ronnie's got her in road gear. Mountain man driving a snowplow. Motor grader with blade on it. We'll call it a snowplow today. All this work they did today on them big drifts will be blown back in tonight. They'll have to come out and do it again. plus snow equals job security. Well, Rock River Radio, just got back. Left at 8 o'clock this morning and got everything delivered. Followed the plows. They're still coming back because once they got out there and turned around, took the chains off the one blade, then I got ahead of them and I headed home because it's 5:45 right now. We left here at, well, the plows left probably at 7 this morning, so 12 hours to go 40 miles, maybe a little over. They still didn't get everybody plowed out, and then on the way back, the wind was blowing and had everything about half drifted back in, so kind of like shoveling the walk while it's still snowing, or stringing beads without a knot in the end of the cord. And we got a truck here that is wondering about going past the road closed sign. Oops, sorry. I am, because I'm going home to feed cows. Not many services here, buddy. So it's 12 degrees and still winter. That country is covered up, boy. So I'm gonna go feed my cows. From a little north of nowhere, this old Soaphole.
Rock River